Hey up, how are we all doing? Here we have LIDL's multi-tool for your bicycle. 16 functions, 3-year warranty. Let's get in. It's in a nice neoprene sheath with a velcro top and a back loop. Let's get in. Here we have a chain breaker, and if you open it up and put the chain in between there and wind back in, it'll push the pin out, so you can then put a quick link in to carry on with your ride. A handy little bit of kit that is. What else we got? A screwdriver, a number of different Allen keys, a positive drive on one side, and then we have a Torx this side, another Allen key, a big Allen key with what can be taken on and off, and it's got a little ball bearing to keep it in place. Going up sizes of Allen keys, and then a micro one in between, and then there's another I can't get it out, a little bit stiff, another tool at the end for different bolt sizes, and usually that one is a spoke tightener to tighten your spokes up. So a nice little handy bit of kit that tells you sizing on that. I can focus in different sizes. It's quite weighty. I've had a lot lighter ones, to be fair, but for the price I've paid 5 times as much for this in the past anyway. But it's a nice little bit of kit, gets you going, and that it's a very strong, sturdy outer. It seems very well put together, because sometimes they get a bit flimsy. And lovely in the little sheath. So yes, a nice bit of kit here. I'll put that out of the way. From Lidl again, does it again. Nice bit of tool, definitely worth having. Put in your backpack or your pocket when you're out mountain biking. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And a big thumbs up. Thanking you. Goodbye.